Is your child a good storyteller? For instance, if you get me a puppy, you'll never have to help me take care of it. Welcome back, Edel Campers, to Tuesday Teachable Moments. Historically, many cultures are known for storytelling. Winter is the time to build a great big campfire, gather around that campfire, and tell stories. I personally love a good story. I am going to share with you 7 tips to help your child become a better storyteller. I have also put a step-by-step lesson down in the description below to help you teach your child how to be a good storyteller. All you have to do is click that show more in the description and you can see that lesson plan below. If you like me to include lessons in my Teachable Moment tips, please give me a thumbs up or let me know in the comment section. On to the tips. Tip number 1, continue to embrace nature. So as a storyteller, we need to embrace the nature in the outside, and we want to teach that to our children. Tip number 2, help your child to choose a story that they really love. You can tell a story about any book, but it comes off better if you tell one that you really like. Tip number 3, help your child learn how to hook the reader within the first minute. Tip number 4, practice, practice, practice. Always have them practice a lot before they perform their story. Tip number 5, help them learn how to engage their audience and make their story interesting. Tip number 6, always use sensory information throughout your stories. Tip number 7, build a big old campfire. Invite people over. He's practiced enough, he's ready to perform it. And let your child tell the story around the campfire. I hope you and your children learn to love storytelling as much as I do.